Do you want to pin a video to the top of your TikTok profile? You can easily highlight your best content and keep important videos visible at the top of your profile grid. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To pin a video to the top of your TikTok profile, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you are on your profile, scroll down and select the video you want to pin. Once video open, tap the three dots icon on the right side of the video screen. A pop-up menu will open with different options. From the menu options, tap Pin. Now, that video will stay pinned at the very top of your profile grid for everyone who visits your profile.